Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Azure and Me. Today we're going to see a simple Azure web app, which is going to be hosted in Microsoft Azure. In order to do that, we're going to create the following. We're going to create a resource group, app service, and a simple ASP.NET Core web app. I'm going to create a simple resource group, which is going to be called as RG underscore first web app. I'll create a simple web app. Either we can go to a create resource and click on web app to create one. I'll just choose the existing resource group which I recently created, and then we'll give a web app name. I'm going to call it as my first web app 255 because it already exists. I'll just choose a runtime slack as .NET Core 3.1 LTS and choose the location as West Europe. Let's review and create the web app. At the moment, I'm going to choose the application insights as no, since it is a very simple web app, we don't need to track information. Just choosing a shared infrastructure and reviewing and create a web app. Once the deployment is complete, then we can see our app services running. Let's go to the resource and we can click on browse at the top. We can already see that the status is running. So it says like your web app is running and waiting for your content. So let's create our content. So the next third step would be to create a simple .NET Core web app. For that, I'm going to use Visual Studio 2019. Go to a new project file and I'll choose ASP.NET Core web app. I'll give you a web app name. I'll just keep everything as is and then I'll just create it. Once it's created, we can see at the right side of the solution and can just interested in this index.html to see what content that by default we're getting. So here it says a welcome message. We can just build and see how does this application looks like. So the application has been built and it's currently running. As we can see that there's a welcome message, and this app is currently running in a local host. So which is just